Select me for the graduate program because I will bring a fresh, new and exciting dynamic to your current team. I'm a self-professed introvert, and according to science, we make some of the best leaders and produce the best ideas. In an industry where the quality of ideas determines the success of the firm, I believe that I can help you keep on succeeding. I'm eager to learn, reliable, and pay close attention to detail, and will complete any task given to me to the utmost of my ability. Sometimes I can get a little OCD about my work, however, I understand the importance of both working and playing hard. I'm willing to take risks, rise to challenges, and I'm adaptable, which is crucial for an industry in such a fast-paced environment. I'm everything you're looking for, and if given the opportunity to prove myself, you won't be disappointed. I'm passionate about being a part of this industry because it plays an imperative role in everything that we do. Helping businesses to succeed by getting consumers to buy products, applying for a job, and finding that special someone to spend the rest of our lives with. In order to do this, we need to market ourselves. It makes the world go round. It has the ability to shift cultural ideologies and bring about change for the better. It's difficult to put into words exactly why I'm so passionate about this industry. I just woke up one day and knew that it was exactly the career that I wanted to pursue. Seeing really good advertisements simply makes me happy, and I want to be able to play a part in doing that for others and help companies succeed by doing so.